Sanibona. Ninjani niyaphila? Siyaphila. Ithini insizwa yaseCala e-Eastern Cape? Utata uMantashe uthini? Uthe i-youth yase-South Africa yavilapha ayifuni ukuyosebenza. Ayifani nabo ababehamba beyo-aplayela umsebenzi, beyobamba ama-queue beyifunela umsebenzi. In short uthi abantu base-South Africa abasha, hhayi ngoba kuwukuthi imisebenzi ayikho, abanandaba, bayavilapha. Lithini ixhegu? Ake sixoxeni ngale ndaba-ke bafethu, ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi indaba esithintayo sonke le, ikakhulukazi kubantu abasha, ukuthi uma ngabe nizwa abaholi be-ANC bekhuluma ngale ndlela kusho ukuthini lokhu? Ake umuzwe, ulalele le video, umuzwe ezikhulumela, and then ngizophinde ngifakele nenye lapho nizozwa khona-ke manje sekukhuluma-ke manje i-leader yabantu abasha ye-ANC. Uyabona? Bese ngikufakela enye ividiyo futhi la eyi-example yokuthi ayikho lento ekhulunywa uMantashe. Abantu abasha bayahamba bayofuna umsebenzi, bawabamba ama-queue, bashiswe ilanga, kube yini yona leyo, baze babuyele emakhaya bengawutholanga umsebenzi. So ake ubheke le video kaMantashe kuqala nansi.
Now over 70. I've never had a government looking for a job for me. You know that? Never. I went to Teba, I took a contract, went to the mines, worked as a miner, went back home, bought cattle, bought sheep, went back to the mines, and I did that. The difference is that today, because there's a progressive government, people expect that government to go and give them jobs. They don't look for jobs. And that must change. I'm sure to be here in SABC yourself, you look for an advert, you applied, you got into SABC. Not the SAB looking for you. You looked for a job and you got employed. And people must begin to appreciate that you do queue up for a job, you get employed, adverts are not going to employ you. You will have to look for the advert and apply in real terms. If you don't do that, you're not going to be employed. And I'm going back to the point I made. Let's move out of being a passive society to be an active society.
Ngalezwi ixhego-ke ukuthi lithini? Ulizwile? Ake sizwe ukuthi ANC Youth League-ke yona uMalatshi uthini-ke yena. Funa uzubona ukuthi izinto ezikhulunywa lapha ku-ANC kuyakutshela ukuthi akuhlele kanganix ku-ANC, ingaki izwe nje. Yezwe i-youth ye-ANC ithini-ke yona, nanguMalatshi ephendula uMantashe.
Sometimes, President, when they speak like they're dining rooms with their families. On a high level of unemployment in South Africa, you find leaders of the ANC saying that people are unemployed because they are lazy to apply for jobs. Those are people who are detached from realities and the people of South Africa. How to say the youth of this country and mothers here every day who are giving their kids money every day to go and apply for jobs? One man who has not retired stands up and says, who has never written a CV in his whole life, says that the youth is unemployed because they are lazy to apply for jobs. You are saying majority of South Africans are lazy. That is irresponsible. And because of they retire, now mothers of the ANC, whenever the ANC is doing wrong things, you must be the first one to stand up because you carry the kids for 9 months in their stomach. They can't be born in a government in a country and that is lawlessness, that is leaderless, that lacks decisive leadership, that is unemployed, when there is poverty. As mothers, you must stand up against irresponsible leaders who speak outside what the ANC has sent them to do. When you are deployed by the ANC, we don't want your views, we don't want your smart.
Umzweli uMalachi inkulumo yakhe iphambana completely nenkulumo kaMantashe. So uyabona ukuthi siphile ezweni elinjani. Uyabona ukuthi iziholwa ngabantu abanjani eSouth Africa. Okuwukuthi kwabona lapha ngaphakathi eqenjini le-ANC. Yilo udonsa ubheka le nomunye adonsa abhekele. Yini ongayilindela kulelizwe? Umuzwa abaholi be-ANC bekhuluma ngalendlela. Ukuphendula ke lenkulumo kaMantashe, uma ethi uMantashe abantu abasha bayavilapha, abahambi bayoqueua, bayofuna imisebenzi, bayofesa. Ake ubuke le video elandelayo bese uyangitshela ukuthi kulento ekhuluma uMantashe yini lo ibuka la. Into eyenzeka la eMkhondo namhlanje today le njengoba ubona la. Bheka le video.
La into kufaka ama-CV ebox simo esibhekene naso eMkhondo abantu abangasebenzi yilo lela loshayisa sona.
Uyibonile? So ke ake siyihlaziyeni ke yonke lento bafowethu. Bese siyakhomenta ke ukuthi wena mangabe uzwa uminister wonke nomholi oku top 6 ye-ANC ekhuluma ngalendlela. Lento ekhulunywa uMantashe kuthini ukuphawula kwakho? Ungaphendula uthini? Likhona yini ithemba lokuthi iqembu leli le-ANC ikhona yini into enesense abayikhukhayo noma abayiphekayo ukuze kuzuze intsha yase South Africa engasebenzi uma ngabe ekhuluma kanje? Ake siye kuma comment ke bafethu, ngizolinda ama comment wenu. Mfoka Mkhonza lo, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Please share, subscribe and comment. Sohlangana welandelayo video, ngiyabonga.